Stan Gibilisco here. I'm going to explain the answer to final exam question number 82, found on page 678 of Teach Yourself Electricity and Electronics, 5th edition. The question asks us, which of the following effects can we not get with a semiconductor diode? It lists 5 different effects: signal mixing, envelope detection, frequency multiplication, and amplitude limiting, and edge detection. Well, we can mix signals with semiconductor diodes because of the nonlinearity that they offer. Envelope detection is a common and probably one of the oldest ways to use a semiconductor diode ever since they were first invented, although rectification would probably be an older application. Frequency multiplication, well, yes, we can do that because, again, of the nonlinearity. Amplitude limiting, yes, because of the threshold, the constant voltage drop that they have in the forward direction. We can limit amplitude, also called clipping, by connecting them in reverse parallel. D is in delta. Edge detection is the one thing that we won't do with one of these devices. Edge detection is something that robots do to find boundaries. This drawing does not appear in Teach Yourself Electricity and Electronics. It comes from my book, The Concise Encyclopedia of Robotics. Robots will use edge detection to navigate their way, say, along a roadway once we have a robot driving our car. I don't think that's going to happen anytime soon, by the way. I would not trust my car, my life, to a robot driver. I'm sorry. I either want to drive the thing myself or not drive. However, robots can navigate by edge detection. This is sort of a view of what a robot would see if it's driving right down the center line of a highway. That's one more reason why you wouldn't necessarily want to use a robot to drive your car. If it got out of kilter, if somebody hacked into its programming, it could be very, very bad. I'm getting off a little bit on a tangent here. The correct answer to this question, number 82, is D is in delta. Edge detection like this has absolutely nothing to do with semiconductor diodes. So that is the correct answer. And we might want to tell that robot that instead of centering its path along the center line of the highway, it might want to center its path along the center of the right lane if you happen to live in the United States, or the left lane if you happen to live in England. Kind of depends where in the world the robot is too, doesn't it? Anyway, a semiconductor diode doesn't have anything to do directly with this. Again, D is in delta is the answer here. Long-winded Stan Gibilisco finally signing off.